Hey everybody, got a little quick tip for you. And so I'm just kind of messing around with this tutorial I just did, and all of a sudden I go to pull out top right here and I'm pulling out mesh instead. And then when I try to pull out side, I'm pulling out top, and that's super frustrating. So there's a quick fix for that, and actually all you have to do is come up to the screen maximize and maximize your screen. So if I maximize it, now you can see that I can pull top to selection like I wanted to, and it kind of cleans things up. And then if there's another issue where you seem to get stuck in object mode, maybe you went to edit and preferences, and when you went to preferences you actually clicked lock object modes, and so at that point you wouldn't be able sometimes to go into edit mode. And so there's just two little quick fixes for you. Just make sure your screen is maximized, otherwise Blender starts acting a little funky. So thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe and smash the like button. See you in the next tutorial.